Hello everyone, welcome back to the official developer series by DNOTIFIER. Today we're going to discuss about how we can achieve observability using DNOTIFIER. So let's get started. This is my code snippet where I have actually created multiple agents. So this is the same example I did in the previous part as well. So I created a blog content creator agent, blog clarity editor agent, and blog SEO optimizer agent. So once I have all these three agents, I created a workflow which I called it a blog article writer version 3. And what it does is it's a 3-step blog pipeline that does the content creation, clarity editing, and the SEO optimizer. So this workflow will help me get all the article writer stuff, which means content creation, clarity, and the SEO optimizer. So this workflow is executed over here. I have passed the input parameter. That's my topic, that's my keyword, that's the audience I want to target, what should be the tone of that article, and what should be the word count for it. So I created the DNOTIFIER as the connection, and then eventually I executed the run workflow, which means my workflow will be executed. This is the entry point of my workflow, and that's the input parameters I'm passing. So in this way, I have actually created a workflow and the agents. Now, this code will be deployed eventually into the production. But now the question comes in, how I will identify the quality of my code, how this is performing well or not. So to do that is why I am using, if you see over here, so I'll be passing somewhere, let me just show you. So I'll be passing the observability equals to true, because what it does is it actually gives me the situation where I can actually say, okay, yes, I want to see whatever happening over here is actually available in the portal. So as soon as I set observability equals to true, what happens is over here, now this is my DNOTIFIER portal, and that's my personal profile, and over here I can actually see, so that is the same workflow over here, and over here I can see that it's actually like this is the content creator agent. So once I had this input and output, then it went to the clarity editor and then the SEO optimizer. So if I click on this one, so it will actually show me how much time it took, what was the model I was using, what were the input and the output tokens, when it got executed, what were the input parameters for the system, like you're an expert blog writer and all that. That is my prompt, right? And then that was my, like, how to build, that was my topic, right? And that's the output parameter, which means that's the blog that LLM wrote me, right? And I can see that over here. So once I had this one, this agent actually passed this to this one. Now that blog becomes the input over here. So that is my system prompt. And if I go down, you can see over here, that's the blog, right? So the output of agent 1 becomes the input of agent 2. Similarly, the output of this agent 2 becomes the input of agent 3. So in this way, I can actually identify my workflow, how it's working. I can see the execution. Each execution means it irrespective of the user, right? So whosoever is calling this workflow, you'll be able to see those logs right in front of you, and you can see, okay, how much time, what to improve, what to not. So this observability gives you the idea that you can actually trace what's happening in the production and how you can fix or improve the things, right? So that was the short tutorial about how you can achieve observability using DNOTIFIER. Again, my name is Hamza. Follow DNOTIFIER for more updates, and would love to see your comments in the comment section. Thank you.